Hey everyone, Randy, Dawn, and a Marathon Coach. We're here at Port St. Lucie at the resort here, and we've been here a while, met a lot of great people, and when we came back to Florida, we moved into Coach 1283. So beautiful pre-owned 2019,
Yep.
22,000 miles. We've really enjoyed it. It's got a great floor plan. It's a bath and a half, and we've been in it about a week and a half, almost
Yeah.
2 weeks. This Sunday
Yeah.
it'll be 2 weeks. So we'd love to show you the coach and show you some of the features. And a lot of you have been asking, what's your new coach look like? So today we're going to show you what that new coach looks like.
Yeah, come on along.
Come on in. Hey everyone, Randy, Dawn, and Marathon Coach. We're inside 1283. Dawn's doing the filming, so I'm going to walk you through the coach. Beautiful coach, like I said, 2019 pre-owned coach. It's a bath and a half, and what we really have heard a lot this week is the great balance of the colors. Not too dark, not too light. So I think as you walk through the coach, you'll see some of those things. It's got the bamboo flooring with the tile inlaid. Which is just beautiful. And then behind the driver's seat, we've got the fireplace. And believe it or not, these fireplaces are a huge hit in these coaches. People like the ambiance, and they love the little bit of heat it throws in the cool mornings here in Florida. So a lot of people really love that. So as we walk into the salon here, you can see you have the two chairs, you have the couch, great combination of colors in this coach. Into the galley. Really love how they mixed up the cabinets with the darker material and the wood grain, and then of course the Marathon's J Lounge, which moves around very nicely to get in and out of, and also is electric and goes in and out. So very functional. We've found this coach to be very easy to exist in. You got the dishwasher, and then of course Marathon's Appliance Center, which they came out with not that long ago. So you got your cappuccino maker, your steam oven, your wine rack. And I always tell people, if you don't drink coffee, you don't cook. We can go wine, and so you can just have a lot of wine. So so very functional. You got your fridge here, and then your first half bath. Very functional. Dawn and I have really gotten used to this because we each get our own bathroom now. In our '09, we just had one bathroom. So this is the one in the hallway. Very roomy. Very easy, lots of storage in it behind the mirrors and drawers. And then also one of the newer things is the new glass door, which squeegees when you open and close it, so you don't have to squeegee your shower door every day. Really enjoy that. And as we move into the bedroom, one of the things that we found is, we live full-time in the coach, and you've got a good sized closet here for hanging and a lot of room underneath it. You have another closet hanging here with lots of drawers down below, and then pretty good storage up here also to put things. All right, and then here in the back you have your other half bath, which is very nice. It's very open. Dawn finds it very easy. She's got a place to set things here, and I know when you come in you think, man, it seems really small. But Dawn found it very functional, that she had areas where she could set stuff to get ready in the morning, and so it works out quite well. So we've really found that this coach works really well for us on a day-to-day basis. So as you can see Dawn in the mirror probably through the camera. Hey everyone, so Randy, Dawn, and a Marathon Coach. Hope you enjoyed the quick tour of 1283 2019 pre-owned coach. It's a great coach, it really is. The pre-owned ones are hard to come by. So if you're in the market and want to get into a marathon, we encourage you to call any of our sales consultants at Marathon Coach. We're in Texas, Florida, and out in Oregon. You can call any of those sales consultants and ask them about 1283. Great coach. So if you have any questions, feel free to call, and we'll see if we can get you into a marathon.